When you make a list of your favorite things on Benable, do you make it and optimize it and then just walk away hoping that it's going to do amazing and start getting sales? Well, yes, making a list and optimizing it does get you sales. I think it's also important to do other things that can help you accelerate those sales. Now, the go-to might be showcasing one of the products that you have in your favorite list and detailing maybe some of the benefits or why someone else would like this, right? For their kids to do some 3D art and, have something crafty to do as well as, learn something, STEM learning, right? That can be daunting for a lot of people, creating content around products, and they may feel like they have to, be in the image themselves. You can definitely make content with just your hands on the product. So I really highly suggest creating content, but that's not the only thing that you can do. Benable itself has a traffic source. So this is what's really great even for small businesses joining Benable, is that anything that you post, any URL, gets put on the discovery feed of Benable, and so you get an easy free traffic source for your products, your services, everything that you have, not just products that are commissionable. So where I'm going with that is that there is the traffic source, the discovery page of Benable itself. You should be going in every day for about 30 minutes or so and liking lists that are already on Benable and create more of an internal traffic within the platform. You can follow other people. You can go through your insights and everybody that goes to your list. You could go and, connect with them and look at their lists. There's a lot of back and forth there, but it does increase your engagement on your platform. The other thing that is really important is have your link somewhere. A lot of the times I'm looking at people's TikTok who have a Benable account and they have either no link or a different link, and they're not promoting Benable itself. And they might make a video to do with Benable, but then there's no link for them to go and click. So that is hugely important to make sure that it's in your bio. For me, it's in my tree. So I have a free guide in my tree, and I also have a way to shop on my Benable. And you don't have to have an account to shop on my Benable. You just have to go over and click the button and you get to see all my lovely lists and all of my favorite recommendations like this one. Now I feel like my brain is on fire because I'm thinking about all the other little things that you can do on this platform, like, going into other people's pages, commenting, getting engagement, bringing them back to your page, going and searching Benable and being a part of the Benable community here on this platform. You can, in your stories, if you have the story feature, you can link individual products into your stories. You press the plus button, you put the post of whatever it is, and then you link. There's a link in the stickers, so you go sticker and then link, it's there. You can also DM people, which just be careful, but you can direct message people and you can go on to other platforms. So that's the last piece of advice I would give, is repurpose your content, go on to other platforms, get into groups, go on to Pinterest, get into YouTube, start taking your content other places to gain traffic onto your Benable. All these things help, and if you can even start one additional thing to your Benable, like adding one thing added to a time, you'll see an increase on your engagement and you'll see the growth in your potential profits. Oh, last thing, don't ever forget about checking Benable's Instagram, because there's always some kind of contest going on or something that's coming up. So always check that for other things that can make you extra bonuses that are also on the platform. Anyways, I hope this helped.